Ooh. How to use your Google Analytics in 60 seconds or less. Here we go. Go to your Google Analytics, check out events. Looks like people are coming to my website. Landing page sucks. Here's what it looks like now for people who aren't users. Here's what it should look like. Make some changes, okay? From there, where are people coming from? Boardman, Ashburn, Charlotte. Go to Facebook, take out an ad. Here's where you edit the details. Get it real dialed in, okay? From there, I'm going to use BizRise.io to create a marketing script. I'm going to record that live on Twitch, post that shit to YouTube. Why? Because you get a ton of stuff from Twitch. YouTube's going to run the world. You can create social media content out of it. I'm going to get a blog post and the transcription out of all of my live content, post that to my website on the blog post because it's driving traffic. I'm going to make those posts and those lives about BizRise.io, what it does, and it's my new product. I'm going to do it all live on Twitch so I can get clips for everything I do. Ooh, I don't know. I think I might.